Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of using Google Maps offline, ensuring you can always navigate without an internet connection. Follow this step-by-step guide to download maps and access them anytime, anywhere. Step 1. Open Google Maps. Start by launching the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Ensure you are signed into your Google account for a seamless experience. Step 2. Search for the location. In the search bar, type in the destination or area you wish to download. You can search for cities, towns, or specific locations. Step 3. Access the menu. Once you see the location you'd like to download, tap on the name or address at the bottom of the screen. This will open up more details about the location. Look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them to access a menu. Step 4. Download offline map. From the menu options, select Download Offline Map. You may also find this option labeled as Download or Download Area. Step 5. Adjust the area. A map will appear, allowing you to adjust the area you want to download. Ensure the area covers your desired locations. You can zoom in or out to select the appropriate region. Note that the larger the area, the more storage space it will require. Step 6. Confirm the download. After adjusting the area, tap the Download button. Google Maps will begin downloading the selected area for offline use. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the map and your internet speed. Step 7. Accessing offline maps. Once the download is complete, you can access your offline maps anytime. To find them, go back to the main menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Offline Maps from the menu. Here, you'll see your downloaded maps. Step 8. Navigate offline. When you're ready to navigate, ensure your GPS is enabled. Open the Google Maps app and select your downloaded map. You can now access turn-by-turn navigation without needing an internet connection. Important considerations. Remember that offline maps will not include real-time traffic updates, so plan your routes accordingly. Also, downloaded maps expire after 30 days without an internet connection, so be sure to update them regularly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your offline navigation with Google Maps.